Those are the headlines we're tracking for you today. But in what's brewing, form learning platform Seekho has secured $28 million in a Series B funding round that was led by Bessemer Venture Partners with participation from Goodwater Capital and existing investors as well. Founded in 2020, Seekho provides bite-sized, curated, vernacular learning content for Bharat. This content, delivered in 3 to 5 minute videos, focuses on practical knowledge for career and self-growth. The company now has 25 million monthly active users and claims to have seen a 60% quarter-on-quarter growth. It will use these funds to build new experiences through new content formats and so on. But to understand more about the company's growth trajectory, joining me now is its founder, Rohit Choudhary. Rohit, thank you so much for your time here on CNBC-TV18 and welcome to Startup Street. Tell us a bit about Seekho before anything else. What is the gap you're trying to solve for and the size of the market opportunity you're chasing?
Yeah, so we are just trying to, help people in India live better and actually build a better world along the way. And Seekho is exactly filling that gap where we are a country full of aspirational people who really want to learn and grow, but definitely face challenges when it comes to getting support in terms of, what next to do. If they want to set up their own business or want to earn online or want to just grow as a YouTuber. So we are just helping them through these short form curated videos to learn and become better.
But Rohit, in a space where YouTube, Instagram, even new age edtech players are vying for attention, right? How do you ensure users come to your platform specifically for edutainment rather than, just picking up knowledge from mainstream apps?
Yeah, so YouTube, or for that matter, internet is full of knowledge and information. However, there's too much of it that people don't really know what to rely on and, what exactly to trust when it comes to moving towards their goals. And Seekho, on the other hand, comes into play and provides content which is exactly what users need in a very crisp, short, 3 to 5 minute kind of a format, where we only talk about things which actually matter, which are going to help people grow, and all of that created by experts who are kind of verified by Seekho. So all of those are the reasons why people love, learning through Seekho and not really through the free to use educational platforms or information platforms.
Well, I'll come to users in just a bit, Rohit, but how are you going to deploy this $28 million check that you've got? In terms of immediate priorities for growing the company, where will you deploy this money?
Yeah, so as I said, the mission is to make learning fun and easy for everyone. And towards that, the first step is, of course, to expand into as many categories and languages as possible. And on top of it, also use new formats of learning, which could be blended, of course, using new technologies like AI, and build more interactive, personalized learning journeys for our users so that we can actually make Seekho a global learning brand and move even further towards that direction to expand globally.
Expand globally. What are the markets that you're looking at the moment, apart from India?
Yeah, so we are definitely going to launch, the English language of our app very soon, and going to launch in the US in the coming quarters. And we definitely want to build the first edutainment brand, which is built from India, but for the world.
All right. India's subscription economy at $2.5 billion or so. How are you convincing the first-time digital, payers in Bharat, in tier 2, tier 3 and below cities to pay for your content? What's your early experience with the churn and the retention that you've seen so far?
Yeah, so, it all comes down to talking to users and understanding the market. And since day one, we have been speaking to all of these users who talk a lot about, how learning can actually lead to success and how it can change their life. Learning, how to start their business or how to improve speaking in English, or small things which can actually compound and make them successful in the longer run. And that's primarily the reason why they not just pay for once, but also keep paying and keep using the platform, leveraging the offerings that we have to offer, and of course improve their lives throughout in their lifetime. And yeah, we have kind of the industry best retention numbers when it comes to how far we are able to take our users in their lifetime.
All right. You've already hit about 25 million monthly average users and that 60% growth number quarterly that you're talking about. What drove this adoption curve? And as you scale, as you become a larger company, how do you hope to sustain this?
Yeah, so the secret essentially lies in the nature of the platform, which is very horizontal. Before this, of course, people have tried building vertical plays where they have went deeper into one particular area of learning. But the idea with Seekho is that we are trying to build something like a Netflix for learning, where users can actually explore a lot of areas in which they can learn and grow. And that is what drives a lot of demand, because as we keep growing, we keep expanding more and more categories, which not just increases offerings for our existing users, but also attracts new and more users to the platform. So please don't be surprised if you see categories like AI or deep tech that you want to maybe develop a better understanding into, or even journalism for that matter, very soon coming on Seekho.
So, quickly we run out of time. You've mentioned leveraging AI-first solutions. Concretely, what will that look like for Seekho in 10 seconds?
Yeah, so it's just interactive learning experiences where you not just learn by watching videos, but also clear your doubts specific to your needs, which only AI can offer, of course.
All right, Rohit, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you so much for your time today. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we hope to touch base again in future. Thanks very much.